what is this, baby?
Space.
Yes. Ano tong mga to?
Oh, a rocket.
Very good. Etong mga to.
Stars.
And this one? This one? Astronaut.
Astronaut.
This.
A sun.
Very good. This one?
A planet.
Yes, planet. O, to pa. O, planet. Ito? Meteor.
Martian.
Yes, ito alien. Ito?
Moon.
Alien. Oh, di ba napansin mo may mga numbers siya, bebe? Di ba? What number is this?
Oh, it's
Forget na niya. No, it's 10. Look, here ka. Oo, 10. 1 in 0.
10. 1 in 0.
Yes, 1 in 0. Oh, gusto ko.
8.
Kunwari, ito 10.
No, D.
Oh, yes. Hanapin mo yung number 10 sa stars. Asan yung number 10 na stars? Hanapin mo nga. Oh, ganun na. Okay, go. Okay, you can use that one.
One yellow.
Yellow? Oh, asan yung 10? Oh, okay, continue. Oh, asaan? Asaan yung number 10? 10, 1 at 0, 10. 10. Yes! So, connect mo siya dali. Asan yung rocket niya na 10? Asan yung rocket na 10? Oh, hindi niyo alam yung 10 na rocket. Yes! So, good. Very good. Oh, next. Anong next sa 10? 11. Oh, ano yung 11? 1 at saka 1 and 1 and 1. 11. O, asan yung 1 at 1? Very good. O, asan yung star niya? Saan pupunta yung rocket? Saan pupunta na rocket? Yes. O, asan yung ano? O, asan na? Saan pupunta yung 1 at saka 1? Asan yung 11 na star? 11 star. Like this, oh. O, asan yung 11 star? Yes. I'll go. Very good. O, next ng 11. 10. 11. 12. O, asan yung 12? Ano yung 12? 1 and 1 at saka 2 ang 12. 12. Very good.
There's gray. There's gray. There's gray.
O, asan yung star niya muna? Hindi mo pa nakikita yung star niya muna. O, asan yung star ng 1 and 2? 1 and 2. No, that's 20. 1 and 2.
1 and 12.
Saan yung 1 and 2? Nahirapan siya sa star. Where is the star? Number 12.
Oh, wait.
Isa-isahin mo kasi.
Is that?
1 and 2. Yes. Saan yung rocket niya? Connect mo na siya. Connect mo na siya.
Okay. That's nothing nice to know here.
Very good.
It's a rocket good.
Yes. Oh,
Look,
next is...
Wait, that's a winner.
Yes.
It's a winner.
Next is 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, asan yung 13? Next. 13. Asan yung 13? 1 at saka 3. 13. 1 and 3. 13. Asan yung rocket muna? Rocket ng 30. Very good. O, yung rocket niya, star yan. Asan yung rocket niya? Yes, very good.
I'm eating.
Go. Asan na? Anong color gagamitin mo?
Let's go color orange. Let's go orange. Let's go orange. Let's go orange. There. 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 There, mommy.
Go.
Richie. Crap. Oh no.
Very good. O, next sa 13 is? O, bilang tayo. 10, 11,
11,
12,
12,
13, 14. O, ano yung 14?
14.
14. O, asan yung rocket ng 14?
Where's food?
14.
14.
Yes. Asan yung star niya? Parang malayo yung star niya. Nakita ko na eh.
Ay, kita!
Oh, kita ko na yung 14. Kita ko na yung 14. Yes. Oh, go. Lagay mo na dali.
Yellow.
Go. Asan yung ano? Saan mo idadaan yan?
Okay. Here. Oh. Here. In here?
Yes, go.
Okay. Let's put my leaves in here.
Very good. Next ng 14 is?
Mommy, wait.
Yes. Anong next ng 14? Oh, count tayo.
1,
10, 10,
Mommy, I want to draw.
10, 11.
Mommy, wait. Wait.
Oh, count tayo. 10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14.
15. Oh, 15 na tayo. Ano yung 15?
Where's 15?
Oh, what is 15?
Where's 15?
1 and 5. Hanapin mo yung 1 and 5. 15.
Where's 15? 15.
15. 1 and... Yes. O, asan yung rocket niya? Yes.
Oh, wait.
Very good.
Is
O, connect mo na.
purple. Is there's purple. That's good. I love purple. It's my favorite purple. It's in my dress.
Yes, purple yung dress mo. Opo.
Yes, it's cover my dress.
O, connect mo na yung rocket at star.
Okay.
Very good. O, anong next ng 15? O, count tayo.
1,
10, 10, 11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16. Ano yung 16?
16.
Oh, ano yung 16? Tingnan ko nga kung alam mo yung 16. 16. Anong 16?
14.
16.
Then,
Oh, alam mo na yung 16.
16.
Oh, sige nga. Try mo nga kung saan ang 16. Yes! Asan yung racket niya? Very good, 16. Asan yung 16 na racket? "16, where are you?" Yes. Good.
Pink. Oh, and where this one? This one. I choose pink.
Ito.
This one and this one and this one.
Opo.
This one is perfect.
Opo. Asan na yung 16?
There.
16. Very good. Oh, next. Count tayo. 10, 11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17.
17.
Oh, ano yung 17? Oh, hanapin mo nga yung 17. One in 7 ang 17. 1 in 7. One in 7.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is
Tagal?
Where is she?
Tagal ng 17. 1 in 7. Alam mo yung 7? Ang kalimutan mo na naman yung 7? Yes. Oh, asan yung star niya? 19 yan eh. 7. 1 in 9 yan eh.
What is this one?
No. 7. 7. Look.
This is 7.
No, that's 9.
This is 7. This is 7.
Oh, ganito yun oh. Oh, asan yung 7 dyan? Isa-isahin mo yung star. Look closely.